What is technical analysis? Are charts the footprints of money? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author of Amazon number one selling book Mind, Market and Money, and the only Indian who was awarded as one of the top 5 world's best trader trainers from Online Trading Summit. We will today learn what is technical analysis and how charts can be used as footprints for making money. When it comes to trading, especially shorter time frame, whether you are a day trader, swing trader, positional trader, if you want to do short term trading, knowing technical analysis is a must. Now, what is technical analysis? It is nothing but study of two important things, and let me tell you the two most important things what we study in case of technical analysis. The first and foremost what you study is price. Let me tell you, all technical analysts believe price is king, price is god, and price is everything. We believe price takes care of all information. The second most important thing what we study in technical analysis is volume. So technical analysis is all about study of price and volume. Now let me tell you what is price and why price is always considered to be primary. Now, every stock, like any other commodity, will have a price determined by the buyer and the seller. It is the forces of demand and supply which will determine price. We always say price is everything and price is God. For example, right now, let us say price of Infosys share is 1200 rupees. We say price of Reliance share is 2000 rupees. Now, how is this price decided? Very simple. Price of 1 kg of apple is, let us say, 200 rupees. Price of 1 kg of orange is, let us say, 100 rupees. How is this decided? Yes, very simple. It is the forces of demand and supply. Who is creating demand? Demand is always created by the buyer. Who is creating the supply? Supply is always created by the seller. So it is on the one side buyer, on the other side seller who creates demand and supply, and thereby the meeting point of both buyer and seller is what we call as price. In technical analysis, we read charts, and all these charts is what is to read about the most important primary indicator being price. Now, along with price, we also see volume. Now, what is volume? Volume represents number of shares traded for a particular time frame. Let me repeat, very simple. Let us say today 100 kgs of apple was sold by one seller called Ramlal. Now Ramlal sold today 100 kgs of apple. How many kgs of apple did Ramlal sell? 100 kg. What is this 100 kg? Volume. That means for today, the time frame is today, Ramlal sold 100 kgs of apple. Similarly, for today, Reliance shares volume is 10 lakh. What do you mean by that? That means for today, 10 lakh shares of Reliance has got bought and sold. So for us, volume is the second important variable what we consider in technical analysis. So let me sum up to you. Technical analysis is all about studying two important things, one being price and two being volume. Price is primary, volume is secondary. Price is always supreme, price is God, and we have price for apple, price for orange, similarly price for Reliance, price for Infosys. And how is this price determined? The simple law of demand and supply. It is the buyer and the seller who decide at a particular price at which they are ready to exchange the goods or the commodities. Similarly, if Reliance price today is 2000 rupee, that means there is someone who wants to buy Reliance at 2000 and there is someone who is ready to sell Reliance at 2000. Now, if at a particular price we have a buyer and seller, then only transaction takes place. I'm so sure all this simple learning, complete technical analysis, you will be learning as simple as this video series which I have started. And today you have clearly understood using charts. We can learn how to see prices and how to see volume, and technical analysis or chart reading is all about study of price and volume. Yes, we can even see deeper things like open interest. We can even see different types of charts. We can even study more deeper into technical indicators, price patterns, and so many more things which will be coming to you in this very special Rudralogy financial series. I'm very sure today you will be forwarding this video to as many people as possible and you will join hands with us to spread right financial literacy. Also, I'm sure if anyone asks you what is technical analysis, you will tell them it is the study of charts. And the two most important variable what we study there is price and the second one being volume. Now, how to see these charts in live market environment? Which are the softwares freely available for us to see charts, and much more I'll be discussing in the upcoming videos. Do not forget to subscribe for this channel, click the bell whatever you have, and I want each one of you to share this simple easy video on technical analysis to as many people as possible, and you will be waiting for the next video to come very shortly. Till then, take care and have a nice time. Bye bye.